Have you ever heard a strange sound coming from underneath your car? That mysterious hiss, an insistent rattle, or even a deep rumble can be more than just annoying. It's often your vehicle trying to tell you something important about its exhaust system. Ignoring these noises can lead to bigger problems down the road, affecting everything from your car's performance to your wallet. Today, we're going to decode those perplexing sounds, helping you become a pro at diagnosing exhaust system leaks and issues right from your driveway. Let's start with one of the most common indicators of a small exhaust leak, a distinct hissing sound. This noise typically suggests a minor crack or a loose connection where exhaust gases are escaping under pressure. Think of it like a bicycle tire slowly losing air. Common culprits for this quiet but persistent sound include small holes in the exhaust pipe itself, a cracked exhaust manifold, or a failing gasket between components, such as the manifold and the engine block, or between pipe sections. To pinpoint a hissing leak, a visual inspection is your first step. Look for soot marks around joints or on pipes, which indicate gas escaping. For a more definitive test, once the engine is cold, you can start it, and with caution, spray a soapy water solution onto suspected areas. Bubbles will form where gas is leaking. Another technique involves blocking the tailpipe with a rag while someone listens for the hiss, but exercise extreme caution to avoid back pressure damage and carbon monoxide exposure. Next up is the rattling sound, which often signals something loose within your exhaust system. This can range from a minor annoyance to a symptom of a significant issue. The most frequent cause of rattling is a loose heat shield. These metal plates protect the undercarriage from the exhaust's intense heat, and their mounting bolts can corrode or simply come loose over time, allowing them to vibrate against the pipe. Another, more serious cause of rattling is a failing catalytic converter. Inside the converter, a ceramic honeycomb structure can break apart due to impact or age, causing pieces to bounce around and create a distinct metallic rattle, especially when accelerating or decelerating. To diagnose a rattle, get under the car when it's cool and gently shake different parts of the exhaust. Tap the catalytic converter with a rubber mallet. If you hear loose pieces inside, it's likely failing. Check all heat shield fasteners for tightness. Perhaps the most alarming sound is a loud rumble, or an outright roar. This usually indicates a significant breach in the exhaust system, such as a large hole in the muffler, a completely severed pipe, or a major crack in the exhaust manifold. When your muffler is compromised, its sound dampening capabilities are gone, leading to a much louder exhaust note. A large crack or a detached pipe allows a huge volume of untreated exhaust gas to escape, creating a powerful, often disturbing, noise. Diagnosing a major rumble is often straightforward. You'll likely see the damage clearly. Look for large holes in the muffler or resonator, severely corroded or broken pipes, or exhaust hangers that have rusted through, causing a section of the exhaust to hang low or drag. You might also notice a strong exhaust smell in the cabin, particularly if the leak is closer to the engine bay, which poses a serious carbon monoxide risk. Understanding the basic components of your exhaust system helps immensely in diagnosis. It starts at the engine with the exhaust manifold, collecting gases from cylinders. From there, exhaust pipes carry gases to the catalytic converter, which reduces harmful emissions. Further downstream, the resonator modifies sound, followed by the muffler, designed to quiet the exhaust. Oxygen sensors are strategically placed to monitor and regulate emissions, and the system ends with the tailpipe. Each component plays a crucial role. Exhaust system issues aren't just about noise, they significantly impact your vehicle's performance. Leaks, especially upstream of the oxygen sensors, can disrupt their readings, leading the engine's computer to incorrectly adjust the air-fuel mixture. This often results in reduced fuel efficiency, a noticeable loss of engine power, and sometimes even misfires. Furthermore, a compromised catalytic converter means higher emissions, potentially causing your vehicle to fail inspection and contributing to air pollution. Before you even think about crawling under your car, prioritize safety. Always work on a cold engine to avoid burns from hot exhaust components. Use proper jack stands to secure your vehicle if you're lifting it, never relying solely on a jack. Wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. If you suspect a major leak, especially if you smell exhaust in the cabin, avoid driving the vehicle extensively until it's repaired due to the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. For your DIY inspection, start with a comprehensive visual check. Look for any signs of rust, corrosion, or black sooty residue around connections, welds, and bends in the pipes. Pay close attention to the hangers and rubber isolators that support the exhaust system. These frequently wear out or break, leading to rattles and misalignment. Gently push and pull on different sections to check for play or looseness. Inspect the muffler and resonator for holes or excessive rust. While many minor issues can be identified and sometimes even temporarily fixed at home, there are times when professional help is essential. If the rattling points to a failing catalytic converter, this is a complex and often expensive repair best left to specialists. Similarly, if you discover extensive corrosion, severely cracked manifolds, or exhaust pipes that are completely broken and require welding, a qualified mechanic has the tools and expertise to perform these repairs safely and effectively. Preventative maintenance is key to a long-lasting exhaust system. Regular visual inspections are paramount, especially if you live in an area where roads are salted in winter, as salt accelerates corrosion. Drive carefully to avoid hitting potholes, curbs, or road debris, which can damage pipes and catalytic converters. If you notice persistent minor noises, address them promptly before they escalate into major problems. Decoding car noises can seem daunting at first, but by understanding the common sounds like hissing, rattling, and rumbling, and knowing where to look, you're well equipped to diagnose exhaust system leaks and issues. Early detection and repair not only save you money but also ensure your vehicle runs efficiently, quietly, and safely. Keep an ear out for your car's warning signs, and empower yourself with this knowledge. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.